often feel like you have been busy all day, yet achieve nothing? That's the trap of multitasking, my Karyans. Many actions and there is no results for that. Namaste, I am Vanita Ganesh Murthy, your Vedic to-do list coach. Welcome to Vedic Productivity Talks, where ancient wisdom meets modern action. Today, we expose a deceptive enemy of progress, that is multitasking. Science shows that multitasking reduces productivity by just up to 40%. It increases stress, decreases memory, and leads to shallow work. In Vedic thought, this is called Chitta Vikshepa, a distracted mind that moves without mastery. So, what are the three quick effects of multitasking? Point number one, fragmented focus. Nothing gets your full attention. Point number two, decision fatigue. Switching drains energy. Point number three, delayed results. You're busy but not productive. The ancient text recommended Eka Tattva Abhyasa. That is the Vedic solutions for all this problem. Practice of focusing on one task at a time. When you channel your energy into one purposeful action, it leads to depth, mastery, and completion. Your TDL should reflect this. Circle your one thing daily and protect the time, block that sacred space. Ready to ditch chaos and cultivate clarity? Join the Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub and master the Vedic to-do list systems. One focus, one goal, one transformation, and this is the moment of productivity, Karyans. Thanks for tuning into the Vedic Productivity Talks. Remember, multitasking is a moment without momentum. Choose focus over frenzy. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay calm, stay focused, and stay productive. Have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.